Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna explaining to you about like maybe a tree lab configuration. But in here I'm gonna explain about the maybe the theory. Okay, so first in here basic EGRP configuration. What is EGRP? What is the meaning or the full text of AGRP? So the AGRP is Enchanted Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. Uh, and where are from the EGRP? So the EGRP is like a Cisco protocol and or is a Cisco priority distant vector and routing protocol that is classless and supported via SAIM. And manual summarization, and unequal cost load balancing. Here the basic configuration. So this is the here as you can see here. This is the basic configuration or building. So maybe I'm just the uh, explaining to you what is like maybe router AGRP 100 100 why it give the router EGRP 10 20 or the last the number is uh the meaning the number is why router EGRP 110 because the meaning is enable EGRP under autonomous system 10. And what is network? As you can see here, there is a lot of like network 1.1.1.1 and 0 until 4 times. What the meaning is network? The network is like defense which interface will participate. So just only when you like maybe yeah use maybe someone like you want network one to like oh you want network one to participate, so you just write in your configuration, you just like give maybe give some how to say perintah like that to the ini to the configuration like network 1.1.1.1 so that network will be active or participate. And what the meaning is no auto summary, as you can see here, maybe in the next configuration there is a lot of new no auto submit. So no auto submit is you disables autonomic classful summarization. So you dis disable one system auto summary like that. And what again, the so this is so basic for the like for the beginner, like you just only learning how what is like ENT loopback 0 router EGRP 10, why you give the EN interface loopback, and why you give router EGRP 10 and network. Okay. Maybe we go to the next lab. Okay. ah Second lab is filtering during redistribution or EGRP filtering redistribution. Sometimes you don't want to redistribute all routes between protocols, EGRP, maybe EGRP or OSPF or RIP. If you want filtering, you can give a filter. You can give a filter which router get redistribute using routes maps. And example, redistribution OSPF and EGRP, but only allow 192.168.50.0/24 like that. That's the example. And uh, maybe the explanation only like oh, and what is like maybe there is after this like what is HL10 or root map or maybe a distribute with the with root map. So we go to the first. I think we should talk about HL10. What is HL10? HL10 is like you match the network, and the second is a root map. What is a root map? The simple thing is a root map is for the controls what get redistributed, so you can control what you want to the redistribution. And the last is redistribution with root map. So what is redistribution with root map? So like only specific routes get injected into the AGRP without filtering, and redistribution can use routing loads and instability. So maybe that's for the second lesson, and we go to the third lesson. Yeah, the last lesson is a prefix list, AGRP prefix list filtering in AGRP. Instead of HLs, prefix list is give more granular. So like filtering, especially for subnet mask, you can apply prefix list inbound or outbound, maybe to control, yeah, to control which network are adversarial or safe. Example, you want permit only 10.10.10.0/16 uh, and deny everything else. Example, like that. And maybe you should talk about the configuration. This in configuration there is a like prefix list. What's the meaning is prefix list? Prefix list is like you defines which prefix are allowed, which one prefix you want give the way, the yeah, like that. And distribute list with prefix like like applies filter in per interface, either in what is served or maybe out what at first, and use inbound filtering to control what routes are learned. Outbound filtering to control what routes are at first. And so maybe we talk there's the theory, maybe because the time is still long, maybe we talk about the top configuration. So this first is like RGB. So you must make like basic. You must make interface gigabyte Ethernet 1/0 and give the IP address and 12.12.12.1, and don't forget to give subnet mask, and of course you must not shut down the router. Okay, and we go to the next. Yeah, and don't forget to give the ENT loopback. For what? For make like making your router more safety or your network more safety. You give ENT loopback. So this IP address the 1.1.1 200, and don't forget to give the I forgot what is this yeah, 255.255.255 and dot and don't forget no shutdown. And next you give the router EGRP 10, and after that give network, sorry, and give the network 12.12.12.1.0.0.0, and you give the now auto summary, now auto summary, and we go to the maybe this the basic like the basic configuration for the lab EGRP1, and we go same, you just copy as like router one, you go next, and and in this you give access list one deny and access list one permit any, and yeah, this is same like before, just you add some like just get additional like this, and yeah, and don't forget to do this distribute list one out gigabyte in Ethernet. Go again, and here save no like, yeah, same like the root lab one before, but this like some get uh additional here, as you can see here, and this is a lot like a bulk text here. And don't forget to give the IP prefix list, EGRP in, and sequal 10 deny the 3.3.3.0/24 lay to 28, and same, but in the sequel 20 you change the time to sequel 20 and permit and lay until 32, and here get additional again the bold text, and this is the lay and gay combination, as you can see here. Maybe we can end this time because the time is already end. Maybe that's all for me. Syukran wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.